Okay, so let's talk about a phrase we're all hearing pretty much constantly these days. We use AI, right? It's on every website, it gets dropped in every meeting. It's become this huge selling point. But what does it actually mean? Today, we're going to pull that claim apart and look at something much, much deeper, what it means to be truly AI native.
You've seen this a million times, I'm sure. It's almost like a badge of honor now, a thing you have to say to sound like you're on the cutting edge. But you gotta wonder, what's really happening behind the curtain?
So, what's the real translation here? When a company says they use AI, what are they really telling you?
And yeah, there it is. A lot of the time, using AI just means they dabbled. Maybe they used a tool to write a single social media caption, checked the box, and called it a day. It's like using a supercar to go to the mailbox. It's AI as a gimmick, not as a core part of the engine.
And this is where the gap gets, well, kind of scary. Look at the difference. On one side, you have a team stuck doing things the old way, bogged down in manual processes. And on the other, their competitors are just operating on another level. They're not just playing with AI, they're automating entire workflows, they're predicting what customers will do next, and they're shipping things at a speed that is literally impossible to keep up with by hand. So this brings us to a huge shift in thinking. We have to move past this very shallow idea of just using AI. It's time for a new standard. Let's talk about what it actually means to be AI native.
And here's the big idea. Being AI native isn't about just using a tool here and there. It's a whole philosophy. It means AI is woven into the DNA of how you operate, from the way you think to the systems you build to how you get things done. You know, it's like anyone can use a GPS app for one trip. That's using AI. An AI native company is like a self-driving car. The intelligence is fundamental to how it moves, how it navigates, how it gets anywhere at all.
This really shows you just how deep that integration goes. See, it's not stuck in one little corner of the company. It's everywhere. From the moment you start talking strategy, all the way through design, into the actual development, and right into the final marketing push. AI is there, an active partner, every single step of the way.
Okay, so you go all in on this. What's the payoff? What do you actually get out of it? Well, what you get is a massive, almost unfair competitive advantage. Let's break down what that actually looks like in practice.
First off, your customer funnels just get way, way smarter. They're not static anymore. They adapt in real time based on how people are behaving, constantly optimizing to get better results.
Second, the speed at which you can build things just explodes. We're talking AI helping with code, automating all the tedious testing. It means you can launch products and campaigns so much faster than before. Now this is a real game changer. It takes so much of the guesswork out of the creative process. Instead of just relying on intuition, AI can analyze huge amounts of data to tell you which designs, which colors, which words are most likely to work. Your creative choices become backed by actual evidence.
And finally, think about all those messy, manual tasks that eat up so much time. All that repetitive chaos gets replaced by clean, efficient automation. And that frees up your people to focus on what humans do best: big picture thinking and real creativity.
And look, this isn't just some abstract theory. This AI native approach gets applied to build real, high-performing stuff, from your website to your apps to the complex growth systems that actually fuel your business. So when you put it all together, it really comes down to a critical choice. A choice that, frankly, every business leader has to make right now about how they're going to compete.
You've basically got two paths. There's the old way, you hire a traditional agency that, might dabble in AI, or there's the new way. You make a strategic decision to plug your entire company into an AI native system, an engine that's built from the ground up to give you that unfair advantage. This new way of doing things is really built on three core pillars. It is AI native through and through. It is absolutely future ready, and it is completely, relentlessly obsessed with one thing: getting conversions, driving real results. So I'll just leave you with as one final question to think about. Your competitors can copy a clever marketing campaign. They can imitate a cool website design. But if AI is baked this deeply into your systems, into your strategy, into your very execution, can you build an advantage so fundamental that they simply can't reverse engineer it?